design of the device is pretty much similar to the previous model. Dimensions of 305.7mm by 220.6mm by 6.9mm make it clean and clear, plus it's incredibly light in the hand. More so than the last model, curiously. The 4 speakers are present and correct in the corners, with the same resonance chambers to improve the audio quality, and the smart connector sits on the bottom to let you connect keyboards or docks and providing data and power through it. The only significant change to the design comes through the screen, and while it's still 12.9 inches, there are so many upgrades we were hoping to see that have appeared. The iPad Pro was originally conceived as a replacement for a laptop, which is why there's such a big screen. However, this model takes that idea and moves quickly forward with it, by adding in more power and also the way iOS 11 really ramps up what it can do. One of the very best things about the iPad Pro 12.9 from 2015 was watching movies on it. It's still something we do almost daily on the commute. The screen quality was good, the output excellent, although not good for a train, and the boost in the screen has made movie watching even more enticing. Then again, we don't really care about good image quality here, as nobody should use this device to take daily snaps. It's the sharpness that matters, as the iPad Pro 12.9 can take pictures of documents and annotate them through the Notes app instantly now, which means you need the megapixels for the sharpness. There's a 7MP FaceTime camera on the front, so at least video calling will be improved again, even if this massive tablet isn't the right thing for taking a selfie when out clubbing. In terms of the things you can connect to the larger iPad Pro, you're relatively limited to the Smart Keyboard and Apple Pencil.